nuts, yeah? Okay, so the stupid mirror fell off, the glass fell off, so I bought a replacement. Took a long time to get it shipped, so I'm not sure how easy it is to take this off. Did not know the mirrors have a heater in it. Of course it doesn't fit. Doesn't even fit. ...2005 Porsche 911 997 first gen. And the mirror glass. So, I'm holding mirror glass in my hand. This is the second time this stupid problem has raised its little ugly head. So, first time, on the other side, the driver's mirror, I'm driving along and the mirror is flashing me in the eye and I'm like, oh shit, excuse my French, it's loose. And I touch it, and the glass falls into my hand, literally like, touch it, and I catch it as I'm driving like on the freeway. I don't know what that is. So, the same thing happens here, but I can't reach across and get it. I was on the freeway and all of a sudden I saw it glimmer, and I'm like, what the hell? And it fell off and ding, 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 and shattered on the road. So, what do? I go online, try and price these things out. They're actually kind of expensive because usually when you order them as an OEM replacement, it comes with this heating element because the mirrors are heated. Did they get it? I ordered this from Suncoast Porsche. They suck. I go through their wizard. This don't fit. And then they gave me a hard time to flip and return it. And living in Hawaii, it sucks because then they're like, oh, well, you got to pay the shipping. We're going to do this. And there's a fee. And I'm like, it was their website. It's the second time. I do not recommend Suncoast Porsche. Okay, enough on that because I don't care. So, what did I do? I went on the eBay and got a chimmy ching chong. 1/4 the price, free shipping. Oh my god. And look, it just fits. So, what I'm going to do is get some thick gel cyanoacrylate that I use for the RC car hobbies, and get a little block of wood, and we'll rubber band it, and this will be good to go in a few minutes. A little block of wood will go on here, glass will go underneath it, rubber bands to hold the block of wood in place, and gel type cyanocrylate. This is called Zap-A-Gap. You can buy it at any hobby store. It is awesome. It's so awesome it's dangerous because you can really glue stuff. Let me get my little shim so we can align it because we don't want it to be too low or too high. I'm just going to be using this plastic pry bar to help get the alignment just right on the mirror so it's not too low, since I am going to glue it in place. So test fit. The back side of the mirror, I'm going to apply liberal drops. This stuff's pretty gnarly, so ready? Oh, butterfingers. Coffee. Just like that. Come back in like 5-10 minutes and done. That mirror ain't come out. There you can kind of see. From that angle you can see just a block of wood to hold it in there at place. You could use anything, probably even a soda can, I don't know. But that worked well.